Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fade out in Logic Pro. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first what you are going to do is select the audio region you want to fade out. So let's double tap on one of the audio like so. Now what we can do, uh, we can select edit here and show in editor. So you will see it right here. Okay, now the next thing is that we can do is basically here at the bottom left corner, you will see this icon here. If you click on it, this is the middle one, you will see here settings fade start, fade ends. So we will do fade out. So when the fades is fade end, so we are interested in that one. So as you can see here, we have fade out. We can set here milliseconds. Then type, we can adjust type, crossfade, equal power crossfade as curved crossfade. So here we can select one of those which you prefer. Let's say like that. Then we can also set a curve. And yeah, basically like so. Okay. Uh, Now we set this as it should be. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can fade out in Logic Pro. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next